Good morning, student. Today we start assessment 4.2. So we start first question. A number is less than 50. It is a multiple of 7 and it has 3 prime factor, which is that number. So student, here what you have to, which number you have to find out? That number is less than 50 and which is a multiple of 7. Okay, multiple of 7 and it has a 3 prime factors. Multiple of 7 means a table of 7. Okay, so now, and which is having 3 prime factors. So we start. Suppose first number is 14. So which are the factors of 14? Factors of 14 are C, 1, 2 and 7. Okay, what they ask? 3 prime factors. So see, 1 is prime number? No. So first option is correct? No, it is wrong. Then what is the next option? B is 42. So 42 is having which factors? 1, 2, 3, 21, 7 and 42. Okay. So now see, here factors are given, but here we have to find out 3 prime factors. So we will find out. See, 1 is prime number? No. 2 is a prime number. Circle it. 3 is prime number. 21 is prime number? No. It is a composite number. 7 is a prime number. And 42 is composite number. It means 2, 3, 7. It is prime number. And that only they ask. So which is that number? That number is 42. Okay. So which option is correct here? Here option B is correct. Tick here. Now, which is the smallest divisor of 37? Student, any number. Here number is 37, 48, 1001. Smallest divisor of that number is always 1. So tick here 1. Option A, 1. Next, which is the greatest divisor of 347? So student, this thing also you have to remember. Whatever number it is, the greatest number of that greatest divisor of that number is that number itself. So which one is the greatest here? 347. So tick here 347. If in this place any other number is there, suppose number is 9999. So which one is the greatest divisor of that number? 9999. Okay, that number itself. Now, fourth question. Write 1300 as a product of two numbers such that one of the number cannot be factorized further. So we want multiplication 1300 and there one factor it should means it is not factorized other. So see, 52 and 25. So 25 is also factorized and 52 also factorized. Okay, in table of 13, 52 is there. Yes. So this both number are factorized. So this is correct option. No, it is wrong. Next, 26 and 50. Both are factorized. It is in table of 13 and this is also factorized by 2, 25 others. So this is correct. No. Now next is 13 into 100. So 13 is factorized by any number? No. And 100 it is factorized. But what they ask? They ask one they want to factorize and one don't want. So this one is not factorized and this is factorized. So this option is correct here. So correct here 13 into 100. Option C is correct here. Now next question. Factors of 60. So student, here you have to check in which table 60 is there. See, in this there. But again we check. In table of 1 also there, 2 also there. In table of 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also. Table of 10 also, 12 also, 15 also, 20 also, 30 also and 60 also. So that's why this option is correct here. So tick here option B. Here you have to find out all factor of 60. Now next, the prime factors of 60. What they ask? Here they ask only prime factors. So here we find out all factor. Here we have to find out prime factor. So how to find out prime factor? See, in this way you can find out prime factors. 60. It is divided by 2. 30 will come. Again it is divided by 2. 50 will come. It is divided by 3. 3 5s are 50. 5 is divisible by 5. So see student, this 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These all are the prime numbers. So these are the prime factors of 60. So option A is correct. No, because this is a all factor. We want only prime factors. B, no. It is prime factors? No. C, yes. It is prime factors. So that's why tick C. Next one. The product of the number denoting the age of two adults is 770. What is the sum of their ages? So student, this problem you can solve two ways, by multiplication all, and you can find out factorization. So we find out this one by this factorization method, because that only our chapter is there. So now firstly we have to find out all factor of 770. So which are the factors of 770? Factors of 770. It is 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, then 14, 22, 35, 55, 77, 110, 154, 385 and 770. So student, here these all are the factors of 770. Now we count total how many factors are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So how many factors are here? Factors are 15. So now what we have to do? What condition they ask? Given here, they given here the two adults. What is the age of adults? Age of adults, it is in between 18 to 50. What is the age of adult? Age of adult 18 to 50. Yes. So which factors are small than 18? We will cut that. So we cut up to this one, up to 14. Okay. This one we will cut, and again after 15. So which one is that? 55 to 770. We will cut this also. Now which numbers are remaining? Only this 22 and 35. So we add it. 22 plus 35. How much it is? 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 57. So what is the age of sum of that ages of that adult? That is 57. So that's why what is the answer correct here? Option C. Now last question. How many numbers are there in first 100 natural number which are multiple of both 2 and 7? So student, first thing, what is a natural number? Natural number means the number which is started from 1. Integer 1 to infinity. Okay, how much you can count? That much. That all are the natural number. But 0 is natural number? No, 0 is not natural number. So 0 from 1 to whatever numbers are there, infinity, that all are the natural number. But what they ask? First 100 natural number. So which are the first 100 natural number? 1 to 100. In that, what we have to find out? Multiple of both 2 and 7. Okay, that multiple of 2 and 7. So we will see. 7 is multiple of only 7. It is multiple of 2? No. Then 14. Yes, it is divisible by 2 and 7. Then 28. 28 also multiple of 2 and 7. Then 42. It is also multiple of 2 and 7. Then 56. It is also multiple of 2 and 7. Then 98. It is also multiple of 2 and 7. 84. It is also multiple of 2 and 7. So we will find out which one, how many numbers it is. Student, here one more number is remaining, that is number is 70. 70 is also multiple of, it is divisible by 2 and 70. So see how many number it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many multiple it is? 1 to 100, it is 7. That's why option D is correct. Okay, that's all for today. Good day. Sorry student, our fifth question is remaining. So now see fifth question. Number of factors of 110 is greater than the number of factors of 110 by. So firstly we have to find here the all factors of 110. So which are the factors of 110? So we will see here. So factors of 110 is 1, 2, 5, then 10, 11, 22, 55 and that number itself 110. So these are the factors of 110. So here what they ask, here we want those who are not prime factors, which we means how many are not prime factor from this total factors. So this is prime, 5 is also prime, 11 is also prime. So remaining are that are not prime factors. So which one is that? 1, 10, 22, 55, 110. Okay. So how many number it is? It is 1. Remaining, how many number remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is correct here? Option C is correct. So tick option C here, that is 5. 5 are not prime factors of this 110. Okay, that's all for today. Good day.